Okay, let's sit up in a chair, nice and comfortable, spine straight. Let's roll our head around clockwise and counterclockwise. Get your neck nice and loose. Open and close your jaw. Get your jaw nice and loose. And just roll your shoulders forward and back. Get those nice and loose. You can twist your body side to side in the chair, also to get your back nice and loose. Now let's sit up and close your eyes. Okay, let's begin. Inhale through your nose for 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now breathe normally. You can open your eyes whenever you're ready. You've completed your 1-minute meditation. You can continue breathing, doing this breathing pattern for as long as you want, or you can move on with your day. Have a wonderful day.